Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Serenova by Kolte Patil developers located in Andheri West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.8 acres. As you can see in the model, it will have one tower with 2 wings of ground plus 3 levels of podium plus 17 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. It will be a gated community and a low density product with ample of open space. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Versova Metro Station, Andheri West. From where Versova Metro Station is only at a distance of 100 meters, Versova Beach is only at a distance of 3 minutes and Kokilaben Hospital is only at a distance of 3 minutes from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 25 plus amenities with clubhouse, world-class gym and spa, banquet hall with outdoor dining deck, yoga and meditation zone, swimming pool, rooftop garden, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 711 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1083 to 1093 square feet. Also, you have Jodi options available. And talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 5 lakhs. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Serenova by Kolte Patil developers located in Andheri West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.